out here on the backside of Mud Island, and these birds are really working. I think there's a bunch of stuff on the bottom picking up shrimp. And so, you know, what you're trying to do if you can is match your artificials to what's going on. And these birds are just picking up shrimp left and right. So we're just throwing on like a little new penny shrimp on a jig head, gulp shrimp, and just pitching right into these birds. They're bumping it. Right under those birds again. Belly rolling. Wait, one more drift through. I keep saying one more, and then we keep staying here. The nice thing about it is when you do get on these birds, you don't have to worry about scaring off the fish. You just keep running around. Like as soon as I get through them, I roll back around and drift on them again. And they may do this for 5 more minutes and then just disappear. They may do it for another hour. Try something else.
Ooh, that smells.
Yep. When you know you're in fish, try different baits. See what something works a little better than the other. I don't know if white. They'll take white at all. Well, they'll take white. Never mind. Might have liked white better the whole time. They like white. This time of year, when those trout are starting to kind of spawn, you're going to end up catching a lot of males like this. You just got to get through them. You might get whacked by some big trout, who knows? Or it might just be all this, but I'd rather catch 50 little ones than not one big one. Feels better, but it's not. He just doesn't want to get caught worse than the other ones. Oh! That's a pro release. You really got to go many years of practice and training to release them like that. Missed another one. Bad thing about these type of jig heads, I love them because they're quick. But man, once they hit this bait 4 or 5 times, 6 times, rather than the screw-on type, they don't fare very well. They just get too gutted out and they don't last very long. Then they keep sliding down the hook. We'll make one more drift through here and see what we get. And just in case y'all don't know, that's my 4th one more drift. Can't help myself. At least I'm using your reel, so I'm getting all that slime.
Yuck. all that slime on mine. Another trout or gaff top?
Another trout. We're gonna edit that dude out. I don't catch gaff top.
We don't. No. No gaff top. Chris, huh?
No gaff top Chris. I get a tattoo that says that.
Time to go to work. 9:26.
All right, one more. They're really stacked up over there now. It's just too much fun. Well, I've broken a lot of rules today. I got a 2 catfish rule. Got about 5 of them. I've lied to Jennifer continuously about me leaving. Now we're going.
The birds are settling down. I think it's time to leave.
Down. It's time to go. See y'all next week.